Ascorbic acid, commonly known as vitamin C, is a vital nutrient for maintaining overall health.
This organic compound is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of the body.
Our bodies cannot produce ascorbic acid on their own, which makes it necessary to obtain it from our diet.
Ascorbic acid is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect the body from harmful free radicals.
It also plays a crucial role in the synthesis of collagen, a protein necessary for healthy skin, cartilage, and bones.
Deficiency in ascorbic acid can lead to a condition known as scurvy, characterized by fatigue and gum disease.
To maintain sufficient levels, include plenty of vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, such as citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens.